Hey, how's it going, boys and girls? It's your boy, plant-based kid Chris, in the mix. That's right. And today is a special day. I know it's July the 1st, right? Monday, of course. However, putting that aside, continuing Big Kid Challenge, I've modified the workout just a bit. Today is day 41, right? So we got the Big Kid Challenge. So we're basically all the stuff we've done in the previous workouts, and we're putting it together, excuse watch, in one circuit workout, right? So Big Kid Challenge day 41. You can see I have a new notebook here. So basically we're getting all the workouts and we're doing it today, Monday. That's right, July 1st. Today is July 1st, right? That's right. Congratulations, we've made it this far. And so the Big Kid Challenge, day 41 today, right? Day 41, today. All the workouts we've done basically in the heavy lift, we're targeting all those muscles today in different workouts. And basically all the different workouts that we've done to this day, right? From day 1 to day 40. And so we're gonna do our dynamic stretches, targeting the heavy lift. So you take out your notes, your notebook. The heavy lift, the targeted muscles of 1 through 9 workouts. Right? The muscles we're targeting, the quads of course, the hamstrings, the glutes, 4, the calf. As you can tell, I got some shoes on, yes. I figured if it's gonna be intense of a workout moving from one to another with no rest in between unless you have to, I'm not gonna rest until the whole circuit is done. I figured to put on some shoes for safety, purposes. We're dealing with heavy weights. We're moving at a faster pace. I figured let me put some shoes on. Why not these? All right. So 5th, the forearm, right? 6th, the lats. Of course, the lats, aka wings. Don't fly away from me now. We're just getting started, okay? The ROMs, right? Right here. All right. Once we do the scaredy cats with. And the 7th, that was the 7th, the ROMs. 8th, the traps. 9, the lower back. 10, the abs, right? Upper, mid, lower abs. Whole abs here, right? Okay, so we got that. We're gonna do dynamic stretches right now. We're just under 3 minutes, that's good timing. And I'm trying to make the workout a lot more simpler. So when we do Big Kid foam weights, it's gonna be 2 sets, 8 reps. And when we do our dynamic stretches, we're gonna do 1 set, 10 seconds. And when we do our static stretches, it's gonna be 1 set. No, excuse me. When we do our dynamic stretches, it's 1 set, 10 seconds, right? We normally do 2 sets, 10 seconds. We're gonna do 1 set, 10 seconds. And then our static stretches toward the end are still gonna be 2 sets, 30 seconds each, right? Because to me, we're warming up. We don't need to warm up so much. However, the static stretch to me is in a way a bit more important because you're relaxing the muscles, the breath, your mind, right? All that's working together as one to relax, and the muscles are just relaxing, right? And that way you help them grow a bit faster by stretching them out for that duration of time, okay? So again, dynamic stretches today, it's gonna be 1 set. We're gonna try it out. And I've done it in the past. I just as a whole was like, oh, 2 sets is the best. However, let's see what works. Let's try things. Let's not overthink it. Let's think about it and act on it, right? And then from there, we can review it and learn from it and fix some things, right? Okay, as long as we think about it, we do it, and then we correct the things that we need to, and then we move forward with it. If not, we're gonna be thinking here the whole day, and all this time's gonna pass by, and we're gonna do the whole what if, and we don't want that. Okay, so let's get it. The first dynamic stretch, again, they're the quads. So let's get that. And of course I got the cards, yes. So basically what we're gonna be focusing on today is the heavy lift, because the heavy lift workout we're working all the parts of the body, right? So we're doing the flamenco, right? For the number 1. Put this aside here. Alright, so let's get it. Alright, and yes, of course we got the Ketsama Love, we got some water here, and our branched chain amino acids, BCAAs. So make sure you have these available. And of course, consult an adult supervisor if you feel like you need to, or because you might be allergic to something in here. As a whole, this is a nutritional necessity for the human body, especially if you're exercising, right? You're branching amino acids. And of course, water. I don't know of anybody that's allergic to water. If you are, consult somebody. And yeah, alrighty. So let's get to this. The flamenco. Again, focusing on the quads. Okay. So let's go. The brand new shoes on. I've actually had these shoes for months. I just haven't used them because I'm like, what should I use these shoes for? So right place, right time, and figure why not now? Okay, all right, so let's get it. Super cool Adidas. I love Adidas. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I just love Adidas for two things: their quality and their style. Style and quality, whatever order you want to put it in. To me, they have both of them 100% down. Tight. All right, so let's go. When I say go, we start. Go. I'm gonna count the breaths. Right? Okay, so it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. I'm gonna do this new thing too, just really quick. So once we stretch that out, dynamic stretch it, we're gonna just shake it off a little bit and wake up the full muscles and nerves in there, right? Okay, same thing here. And again, it's like this. Alright, got the positioning. There's some balance sometimes, it's all good. Alright, it's Monday, we're still getting into it, right? Alright, so I say go, we start. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shake it off. Jump up and down. All right, loosen it up a little bit. Always like doing that afterwards, waking up the nerves, right? Waking up the nervous system. Again, that's working in conjunction together with the muscles, right? We'll get more into that later on. Okay, so we got that down. So, one clap, we completed our first dynamic stretch. Second dynamic stretch, let's get it. Leg to the sun. Of course, leg to sun, let's go. Focusing on the hamstrings. Of course. Gotta protect the neck. We'll utilize this carpet, because that one's gonna be for skateboard abs. This one's gonna be for the smart lean lunges and heavy lift. Yeah, we're doing all of them in one circuit. I'll get to details right now. All right, so let's go. When I say go, we start. I will count deep breaths with you, okay? So we will breathe together. All right, go. 1. Remember, we're pushing toward the chest, right? We're pushing the leg toward the chest so we can get that stretch in. Not to where it feels painful, however, to where you feel a little bit of stretch where the muscle's working. Right? We're warming it up, we're waking up the muscles. All right, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, it's done. Let's complete the second leg to complete first set and this workout. When I say go, we start. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. 10. Remember, as long as we're doing this properly, I really thinking about it. I don't think 1 or 2 sets matter so much. And again, just focus on the form and breath, right? And me explaining to you is a technique, right? So you get all these 3 elements together, and then form and breath becomes just about perfect or near perfect, right? We're not really striving for perfection, we're striving for progress so we can get better, right? Okay? All right, so let's go. So we just completed our second dynamic stretch, leg to the sun, and again, we focus on the hamstrings. Put this down. All right, so we got cross leg chillax. Of course, you know how it goes. Again, I'm focusing on the glutes. All right, so we're gonna do that. 1 set, 10 seconds. you want to do two sets or more, it's up to you. I'm trying to figure this out to where we have an efficient, effective workout that doesn't take so much time. Again, some of this is trial and error for me, or like I've done it before. However, I'm just putting it in my own package here, sharing it with you, right? Seeing what works best. All right, so let's go. When I say start, or when I say go, we start. I will be counting the breathing with you. All right, go. And again, we're pushing down here, right? Pushing out toward the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Beautiful. Shake it off a little bit. Alright, there you go. Let's do this. Left leg. Alright, let's go. When I say go, we start. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hope you felt that muscle stretch, pushing toward your chest. You really feel it, And of course, you don't want to feel the pain, you just want to feel the stretch, right? Okay, there we go. So we just completed our third dynamic stretch. Cross legs relax. So give ourselves 3 claps. And again, we focus on the glutes, right? Stretch these out. That's right. All right. And the fourth dynamic stretch, tiptoe up, down, focusing on, that's right, the calves, right? All right. Adjust it a little bit there. All right. When I say go, we start. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Afterwards, shake it up a little bit. Again, this all wakes everything up. And of course, the nervous system is all fully awake. I don't know if you've seen these machines they have, like at the gym. At the gym, or you can buy them. They're usually at the gym where you just like stand on it and it just shakes your whole body. And the intention of that is to wake all your muscles up. However, it's to wake up your nervous system, because the nerves are basically the roots of the body, right? So they basically, I would say, they tell the muscles what to do, right? The roots of the body. I would say it's not necessarily the most important. However, it's probably the most fundamental of the human body system, right? The human body anatomy. They tell the muscles to work, and so it's very, very important to get those nerves awake, right? Alert. Okay? So we got that. And we get 4 claps for the fourth dynamic stretch. That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. That's right. And the fifth dynamic stretch is a double 5. Got it? Cool. All right. So let's get it. So we focus on the forearms. All right. So let's go. It's gonna go like this. When I say go, we start, and I will count the breaths with you as well. So we'll do the breathing together, right? All right. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautifully done. So 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Let's put this down. We got the 6th dynamic stretch workout. That's right. The prayer. Focusing on today, the right now. This grateful moment, right? This time that you and I are here together. So let me get this bench here. I almost forgot about it. Give me one moment. That's right. I got you. All right, here we go. Let's put that right here. So we're gonna do 1 set, right? Of course, quality over quantity. That's what it's about as well. All right, so we're gonna get this first set, well, I'm gonna explain it to you, right? If you're doing it, you really get that form and that breath, right? Form and breath, very important. Form, breath. Got you. All right. Let's go. Make sure you use your cushion here. All right. So hands like this, locked in the back of the head. Pushing down with your elbows, right? On a soft cushion, of course. Don't want to mess up those elbows. At the same time, we're pushing down the elbows. We pull up on the back of our head. That way, we really get the stretch out on both sides of the lats, right? aka wings. All right, so let's continue this lat stretch workout. Dynamic stretches. All right, when I say go, we start. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, beautiful done. Alright, so give ourselves 6 claps because we just did our 6 dynamic stretch workout. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Beautifully done. Alright, so our 7th dynamic stretch workout is once again we're working out the whole body today, right? I got a surprise for this week. We got a little bit of boxing in, so looking forward to that for sure, you know? I know you are too. All right, so 7th dynamic stretch workout is a scaredy cat. Again, focusing on the rhomboids, okay? All right, so let's get it. In the positions here, crawl position. We're lifting up like this. Okay, cool. When I say go, we start. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautifully done. So it was our 10th dynamic stretch workout. And let's give ourselves, well, it was our 7th dynamic. Oh, spit myself. All right. Guess that must be good luck, right? Our 7th dynamic stretch workout, my bad. Our 7th dynamic stretch workout we just did, our scaredy cat. And I guess I'm looking forward to working out soon, right? All right, so let's give ourselves 7 claps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Beautiful. All right, so the 8th dynamic stretch workout, the shrugs. Focusing on the traps. All right, so let's go. Let's get it. When I say go, we start. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's what's up. Shake it up a little bit. Wake up those nerves. That nervous system going and flowing along with the muscles, right? Beautiful. Just to give ourselves 8 claps, we just completed our 8th dynamic stretch workout. Yes, our 8th dynamic stretch workout. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. And the 9th dynamic stretch workout is the super freeze. That's right, super freeze. Yow. Focusing on the lower back, of course. That's right, want to have a strong lower back too, right? Okay. All right, so let's get it. So right here, we're in a crawly position here. So basically, we're gonna be like this. This side here is a little different, right? So we got basically like this, right? Like we've done in the previous workouts. If you feel like you can only do it like this, do it like this. And if you feel like you can only put your hand like this and balance well, do it like that. Whatever level, wherever you're at in the progress, do it. It's better than nothing, right? Then you're getting some of that stretch in there. You want some, remember some is better than none, especially when it comes to stretches, any part of the workout, any part of your health, right? Okay? Alrighty, so again, it's the baby steps to move forward and then become better, right? Do more. Progression. Okay, so here we go. Now you got the angle, right? So here, I'll put it like this. So here we go. When I say go, we start. All right? go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautifully done. There we go. Feels good, right? All right, cool. Let's do the left. Left side, right side up, left side down. All right, here we go. I say go, we start. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah, feel that stretch, right? So good. All right, so that was our 9th dynamic stretch workout. Super freeze. There we go. All right, so let's go 9 claps that we just completed this beautifully done workout. All right, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. And our 10th dynamic stretch workout. Yes, our 10th. This time it's really our 10th. No kidding around. No messing around. I got you. Our 10th dynamic stretch workout. That's right. For real, it's the 10th right now. Yeah. The solid abs. All right, upper, mid, lower, whole abs here. Stretching them out, okay? We can get to them right now. All right. Put this aside here. And again, it's like we're crawling around our hands and knees, like we're babies once again, right? We're sucking our thumb. I'm just kidding. Like we are crawling, right? Hands and knees. Then we get into the swimming position here, like we're paddling. And then we're about to do a push-up, but we're like, I don't know, I don't feel like doing a push-up, so we do a half push-up because we're being lazy, and it happens at times. But yeah, it happens. Yeah. Okay. We go like this. Really, the torso is gonna be pushed down as a whole. This torso comes down automatically from your hips below as you're pulling the neck up. You're pulling the head and neck up, right? You're looking into the sky. You're looking for that star, the beaming light. Right? You feel that stretch. We'll stretch right here. The abs, the core. Alright, so when I say go, we start. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautifully done. Alright, and that's our 10 dynamic stretch workout. Give ourselves 10 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First clap for being amazing. Of course, we're giving this workout a shot. Because of that, you're amazing, right? The second is we completed our dynamic stretch workout properly and successfully. So that completes this workout video of our dynamic stretches. And of course, we'll get to our main workout, which is basically all the workouts we've done for these 40 days. Monday to Friday, right? These 40 days. We're gonna put them all together in a circuit workout. And what a circuit workout is, well, you'll see in the second video coming up. It's basically putting it all together as one. Till then, I will see you soon.